एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology YouTube channel. My name is Tashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. So well, the times are not quite right, I understand it very well. All of us are eagerly waiting for this year to end as soon as possible and welcome happiness back to our lives once again. But what if the new year turns out to be the same? We all have our fair shares of anxieties regarding the year 2021, which means the upcoming year. But there is no need to worry, as I am here with some interesting predictions for the year 2021 concerning all the 12 zodiac signs. So, I'll not digress further and without any further ado, let us get going with the predictions. I will first of all begin with Aries, the first sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So, according to Aries horoscope 2021, Saturn or Shani Dev will be sitting in the 10th house of your zodiac sign. From the mid-year until the end, the transit of Jupiter will also take place in the 11th house of your zodiac sign. Also, the grey planet Rahu is in your 2nd house, while Ketu will affect the 8th house from your zodiac sign. The red planet Mars will enter your zodiac sign at the beginning of the year, which will activate your Lagna or ascendant. Even the lord of material pleasures called Venus will enter into a conjunction with Jupiter during the second month of the year 2021 and then get into your 11th house. As a result, where you will bear desirable fruits in your career on one side, you may also have to face financial challenges on the other. You will get adverse results during the early days in your workspace. However, job seekers are required to remain alert between mid-January to mid-February, since the ruling lord of your house karma or your profession, Saturn, will remain in a combusted state. On the contrary, time will be better for people doing business. They will come across many opportunities to add to their income. Also, you will get immense success in accumulating money from abroad. This will be due to the impact of Saturn in the 10th house and Mars in the 1st house, which will also cost you a significant amount of money. Especially between September and November, you may have to face a financial crisis. The year will bring mixed results for the students, as the months of January, March, May, July and November will prove to be very favorable for them, while February, April, June, August, September and December will prove to be cautious. If you love someone, then New Year 2021 is going to be very good for you. This is stated by the annual yearly predictions for 2021. Chances of you tying the knot with your lover are quite high. Talking about your health life, conditions will remain better. However, fatigue and minor health problems will persist. Moving on, let us now talk about the second sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Taurus. So, as per Vedic astrology, the revelations or the calculations state that throughout this year, Saturn will remain in your 9th house. With this, Rahu and Ketu will be in your 1st and 7th houses respectively. At the same time, the red planet Mars will also be in your 12th house in the beginning and affect your 3rd and 4th house while transiting between June 2 and September 6th. Due to the transit of Jupiter between the first week of April and mid-September, Jupiter will aspect your 4th house. With this, the transit of Venus will be in your own sign from May 4th to May 28th, which will affect your ascendant or the 1st house. Along with this, Sun and Mercury will also activate different houses of your zodiac sign this year while being in their transitional process. With this, you will incur the support of luck in your career. You will also get a promotion in designation and acquire progress in life. Merchants and businessmen will also attain sweet fruits as per their hard work. However, the outcomes in your financial life will be slightly less fortunate because you may have to undergo a financial crisis during this period. However, multiple chances to accumulate money will arise in between, and utilizing these chances will help you overcome your financial crisis. Time will be a little hard for the students, as it is indicated by planetary placements and movements. At the beginning of the year, you will have to work harder to incur good results in your academic life. But gradually, the conditions will change. With this, students will get an opportunity to study abroad. Happiness in familial life will decrease, but the atmosphere will become cheerful due to any auspicious event being organized in the family. Some problems with the life partner may arise in marital relations. This is stated by Astrology Predictions 2021. This will lead to an increase in your mental stress. If you love someone, then time is very good for you. Due to the support of your beloved, you will be able to perform better at your workplace. Time is a bit worrying in terms of health, because the presence of Rahu and Ketu can affect your health. So this was all you need to know about the Taurus horoscope 2021. Moving on, I'll talk about the next sign, which is Gemini. So according to Gemini horoscope 2021, Jupiter or Brihaspati, who is the lord of the 10th house of your zodiac sign, will remain in your 8th house in the first month of the year. After this, it will affect your 9th house by transiting in the same month. After this, it will affect your 9th house by transiting in the month of April. Saturn is also going to remain in your 8th house all throughout this year. The shadow or grey planets Ketu and Rahu will be present in your 6th and 2nd house respectively all throughout the year. The red planet Mars will also activate your 4th and 5th houses respectively in between September 6th and the 5th of December. On the other hand, Sun and Mercury will activate different houses of your sign throughout the year while going through your 7th house in the year's beginning. Due to these planetary positions, you may have to face many ups and downs in your career. During this time, job seekers will face troubles due to the absence of any kind of support from their co-workers. This may lead to a delay in their promotion. Also, as per the yearly horoscope predictions, the time will be good for businessmen and traders registered under this sign. But you have to remain cautious while making any major transactions. The beginning of the year will turn out to be favorable with regards to your financial life. However, you will face constant frustration since there is a possibility of a monetary loss in there. Students will attain success only after going through rigorous hard work and efforts this year. Therefore, students must work hard and focus on their goals. The life predictions for 2021 also state that you will get the support of all of your family members. If you are married, then there will be ego clashes between you and your spouse with regards to various things. Children will get mixed results, but this year will see many important changes in the lives of lovers. Health related troubles are on the cards this year. In this case, take special care of your health and improve your eating habits. Moving on, I'll now talk about the next sign of the zodiac circle, which is Cancer. So the predictions for Cancer horoscope 2021 state that the red planet Mars will be in your 10th house at the beginning of the year. After this, it will be in your own zodiac sign while passing through your 11th and 12th house. With this, Saturn, the provider of justice, will remain in your 7th house all year round while aspecting your 4th house. On the other hand, Rahu and Ketu will also activate your 5th and 11th houses respectively during this particular year. In addition to this, Sun and Mercury transiting in your 7th house will affect different houses of your sign. Meanwhile, the transitory state of Venus is also going to affect your zodiac sign this year. In such a situation, you will get an opportunity to gain momentum in your career, thereby leading to a progress and promotion. As per the horoscope predictions, this year will also bring immense success for natives in business when it comes to money investment. Some problems in financial life will rise, but you will easily resolve them with all your hard work. Time is good for students and they will successfully understand each and every subject during this period without any doubt or delay. There will be mixed results with regards to your family life, according to which on one hand you will get the support of your family, whereas on the other your one decision can make your family go against you. Married natives may get into a fight with their spouses for some particular reason. During this time, your life partner will be seen spending more time carrying out religious activities. On the other hand, if you love someone, then this year is going to be very good for you. In matters related to health, you are advised to take some precautions. Moving on, let us now talk about the 5th sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Leo. So according to horoscope 2021 predictions for Leo, the shadow or the grey planets Rahu and Ketu will affect your 10th and 4th houses respectively. Along with this, Shani Dev will also be in your 6th house throughout the year. In the beginning, Shani Dev will create a unique alliance with Jupiter in your 6th house. During this time, Mars will pass through your 9th house and support your luck. And then in between April and July, it will enter your 11th and 12th houses. During this time, you will need to stay aware as well as alert from your enemies with regards to your career. However, you will dominate them and succeed in completing all of your tasks on time. Expenses in financial life will increase, which will make a major impact. Leo horoscope predictions also indicate that the students registered under this sign will have to work harder than ever to succeed in their examinations. Students desiring to go abroad will have to work harder than ever to attain desirable outcomes this year. Family life will remain unfavorable, leading to increased stress in your family. Married natives will be supported by their spouses and they will be able to do better in their professional life. The weak health of your children can cause some problems for married natives. Lovers may have to face the rudeness of their beloved. If you are still single, you may meet someone special. You will have to remain careful about your health this year, otherwise any disease related to the kidneys can cause some problems for you. We have now reached the sixth sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Virgo. So according to the predictions, Saturn will remain posited in the 5th house of your zodiac sign all throughout this year. With this, Mars will influence your 9th and 10th houses while going through your 8th house in the year's beginning. Also, Rahu and Ketu will be present in the 9th house and the 3rd house respectively. Guru Jupiter will also go through your 5th house and transit in the 6th house and mark a major impact on you. In such a situation, you may have to go through many ups and downs in your career. During this period, a job transfer for working natives is quite a possibility. The time will be quite good for those who do business as per the yearly predictions. However, those who are doing business in partnership must remain careful while carrying out monetary transactions. There may be problems in your financial life due to the conjunction of planets and nakshatras, but Rahu's beneficial aspect will give rise to many opportunities to earn money while giving auspicious results. Students will have to work harder in their academic life, as only then they will be able to attain success. Non-cooperation of family members will lead to familial stress and tensions. Married natives will attain benefits with the help of their spouses, while health problems are likely for your children. If you are still single, then this is a good time for you to mingle. However, those in love are likely to undergo several major changes in their lives. This year will be good in terms of your health. You will not suffer from major health related problems. This will be primarily due to an increase in your courage and might. So this was all you need to know about Virgo horoscope 2021 and how the lives of Virgo natives will turn out to be in this particular year. I'll move on and talk about the next zodiac sign, which is Libra. So the predictions reveal that the shadow planets Rahu and Ketu will be present in your 8th and 2nd house this year. Along with this, Shani Dev will also be seen in your 4th house throughout the year while aspecting your 10th house. Mars will be in your 7th house in the beginning and affect your 8th, 9th and 10th houses the most while remaining in a transitory motion. Along with this, the transit of Venus, Jupiter, Sun and Mercury is also going to take place in several houses of your zodiac sign this year, due to which your career will churn out some favorable results. You will make progress and natives doing business will gain monetary benefits from a secret source. Wealth will be attained in financial life as indicated by the annual yearly predictions, due to which you will be seen spending your money in religious work. The mid-year will prove to be favorable for students. During this time, the students will emerge successful in giving out their best performances. You may have to move away from your home for some particular reason. In such a situation, you will miss your family members, which is obviously the most natural thing to do. If you are married, then the lack of love between you and your life partner will continue to haunt you. The time will be quite good for your children. You and your life partner will make a big decision for the betterment of your child's life. If you truly love someone, then this year will be very good for you. You are likely to tie the knot with your beloved. However, you have to take special care in terms of health. Otherwise, the aspect of the planets Rahu and Ketu can result in some major diseases. Moving on, I'll now talk about the next sign, which is Scorpio. So according to the Scorpio horoscope 2021, Saturn will be sitting in your 3rd house all throughout the year. Also, Rahu and Ketu will affect your 7th and 1st house respectively throughout the entire year. Along with this, Mars, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter and the Sun will also be seen impacting your life in various manners. Due to this, you may have to face a lot of challenges career-wise. During this time, you will have to work harder at your workplace. Also, the natives doing business will benefit from a trip. Your financial situation will remain good, but you may face troubles due to a sudden rise in your expenses. Students preparing for their exams will get good results. In this case, continue with your hard work and keep up the dedication. Moving on, I'll now talk about the next sign, which is Pisces. So according to the Scorpio horoscope 2021, Saturn will be sitting in your 3rd house all throughout the year. Also, Rahu and Ketu will affect your 7th and 1st house respectively throughout the entire year. Along with this, the transit of Venus, Jupiter, Sun and Mercury will also be seen impacting your life in various manners. Due to this, you may have to face a lot of challenges career-wise. So the Vedic astrology based predictions also reveal that you will attain happiness in your familial life this year. At the same time, married natives may have to face strong opposition from their spouses. Your children will remain happy and make progress, and your relationship with them will improve. Natives will need to trust each other more, otherwise a breakup is likely on the cards. If you talk about your health this year, then a sudden decline in your health levels can give rise to many problems. So this was all you need to know about the Scorpio horoscope 2021. I'll now move on to the next sign quickly, which is Sagittarius. So the Vedic astrology predictions for Sagittarius natives state that Saturn will remain seated in your second house and aspect your fourth house. Along with this, the shadow planet Ketu will affect your 12th house and Rahu will affect your 6th house. At the very beginning of the year, Jupiter will also form an alliance with Saturn while being in the second house of your zodiac sign. Mars, the red planet, will move through the 5th and 6th houses and transit in the 7th house during the month of April. In such a situation, due to the position of all these main planets, you will attain favorable results in your career with the help of your colleagues. This year proves to be beneficial for natives who are doing business, as they will attain immense success in business, which will strengthen their financial condition. Students, if we talk about the students who are registered under this sign, then they will get success in their academic field. The 2021 astrological forecast also indicate that you will get the opportunity to study abroad. Happiness in familial life will increase and your younger siblings will be seen supporting you. Due to the poor health condition of spouses, married natives will face immense stress in their lives. But this year, you will be seen to be more vigilant towards your children. The year will prove to be very emotional for the lovers as per the yearly horoscope revelations. But you will come across an opportunity to go on a romantic trip with your sweetheart. However, the results regarding your health won't be as expected, which is why it becomes important for you to protect yourself from minor as well as major health conditions. Let me now move on to the next zodiac sign, which is Capricorn. So the predictions state that this year your zodiac sign Lord Saturn will be sitting in your zodiac sign all throughout this year. Also, Jupiter will remain seated in your sign at the beginning of the year and then get into a conjunction with Saturn and then move on to your second house. Rahu will transit in your 5th house and Ketu will transit in your 11th house. This year, the Mars will influence your different houses while going through your 4th house. At the end of January, Venus will also get posited in your own zodiac sign. Due to this planetary placement, you will get good results in your career according to your efforts and hard work you have pitched in this year. The year will also be auspicious for traders and businessmen registered under this sign. There will be problems cropping up in the initial few months of your financial life, but later on the smooth flow of income will put an end to the financial crisis. Students will attain good results and they will be able to understand their subjects well. The predictions also indicate that your mother will suffer from some health problems. During this time, a lack of happiness will be seen within the family. If you talk about natives who are married, then they will feel a sense of dullness and monotony in their marital life. However, you will get an opportunity to go out on a trip or a date with your life partner later on. Lovers are likely to get unexpected gifts this year. Also, in terms of health too, this year is going to be good for you. We have now reached the second last sign of the zodiac circle, which is Aquarius. As per the predictions brought forth by Vedic astrology, for Aquarius natives, Saturn will remain posited in the 12th house of your sign this year. Along with this, Guru or Jupiter will also remain in your zodiac sign until April, after which it will conjunct with Saturn while transiting in your 12th house. Rahu will influence your 4th house and Ketu will influence your 10th house. The planet Venus will remain in the 11th house of your zodiac sign at the beginning of the year, due to which your wishes will get fulfilled. In such a situation, you will get fruits according to the influence of these main planets throughout this year. The year will not be very good for your professional life. The time, especially after the mid-year, will prove to be severely hostile for you. Natives who do business will get an opportunity to go on a business-related journey as it is predicted by the yearly horoscope 2021. In a financial life, there will be a sudden increase in your expenses, due to which financial crisis is likely to be seen for a specific period of time. If we talk about students registered under this sign, then they will get the fruits according to their hard work. Due to the planetary transits and you being way too busy with your work, your family members may feel a lack of love and closeness. If you are married, you will be benefited through your spouse. The year seems positive for your kids as well. If you love someone, then you will find your sweetheart behaving romantically with you. However, health may remain somewhat weak this year. In such a case, you should protect yourself from troubles like gas, acidity, joint pain, cold, etc. I'll now quickly move on to the last sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Pisces. So according to Pisces horoscope 2021, this year Saturn will aspect your 5th house while sitting in your 11th house. Along with this, Mars will also be in your 2nd house at the beginning of the year and then transit into your 3rd and 4th house. At the same time, Jupiter will be posited in the 11th house of your zodiac sign and it will aspect your 5th house just like Saturn. The shadow planet Rahu will activate your 3rd house, whereas Ketu will activate your 9th house. In such a situation, you will get good results career-wise. Your career graph will appear to be gaining momentum at this time. Also, businessmen will get a chance to expand their business ventures. You will come across several opportunities to earn money in financial life, but along with that, your expenses will also gradually start growing. This year, students may face difficulties in understanding their subjects. The astrology predictions for 2021 also state that your domestic life will be good. You will benefit from any of your ancestral property. Married natives will have a better relationship with their spouses and a sense of love and closeness will increase. Your children will also get an opportunity to perform better in their studies. If you are in love with someone, then you can make a big decision this year with your lover. Chances of you getting married to your beloved are quite high. If we talk about your health, then this year will be particularly good. So these were all the major predictions concerning all the 12 zodiac signs. I hope you'll benefit from this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.